In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic carousel on your Wix site using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This powerful feature can enhance your website's interactivity and style, making it more engaging for visitors. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy as you'll need access to the website where you want to add the carousel. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard. From here, choose the site you wish to edit. Click on Edit Site to start making modifications. This will take you to the Wix editor, a user-friendly interface where you can customize your website to your liking. Next, select the page where you'd like to add your carousel. In the Wix editor, you'll find a toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on plus add elements, which is your gateway to a variety of features and widgets that you can incorporate into your site. Now, to add the interactive component you're after, click on interactive font slideshow from the options that appear. This selection will allow you to insert various slideshow styles, ideal for the carousel effect we want to create. To narrow it down, click on articles within the food and entertaining category to find a template that suits your needs. Once you find the layout that fits your vision, whether it's a classic carousel, fade effect, or slide, drag it onto your page. The simple action adds the carousel to your website, and you can place it precisely where you think it will captivate your audience the most. After adding the carousel to your page, it's time to bring your personal touch. Customize the slides by replacing the default images or videos with your own content. This will make the carousel authentic to your brand or message. Modify the layout to include features like thumbnails or navigation arrows to guide users through your content. Additionally, explore design options like adjusting spacing, transitions, and autoplay speed to fine-tune the slideshow to your preference. It's also crucial to ensure your site looks great on mobile devices. In the Wix editor, you'll find an option to switch to mobile view, allowing you to preview and adjust how your carousel appears on smaller screens. This step is vital as many users will access your site via smartphones or tablets. Finally, once you are satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to make your changes live. Click on Publish in the Wix editor. This action updates your site, showcasing your new carousel to the world and enhancing the overall user experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a captivating carousel on your Wix site. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take a little time to experiment with different styles and settings to find what works best for your site's theme and audience. Happy editing!